बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. Jealousy destroys. Complete story of two neighbors. Once upon a time, there lived two neighbors, Ali and Bilal. Ali was a kind and generous man, always helping others. Bilal, however, was jealous of Ali's good reputation and the love people had for him. One day, Bilal prayed, "O God, give me anything, but give Ali only half of it." God sent an angel to grant his wish. Bilal asked for a big house. Ali got a smaller but beautiful house. Bilal asked for gold. Ali received half as much. This went on until Bilal became angrier and more jealous. Finally, in frustration, Bilal said, "Take one of my eyes, so Ali loses both." The angel sighed and said, "Your jealousy has made you blind, not just in one eye, but in your heart." From that day, Bilal lived in darkness, full of regret. He realized too late that jealousy only destroys the one who feels it, not the one it's aimed at. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.